Hey guys, hope you are having an amazing day. If you are new to my channel, I upload Northeast Indian recipes and my motorcycle and travel vlogs. Today we are going to cook a delicious Naga recipe, that's chicken with Akhuni. Akhuni or fermented soya bean is a staple ingredient in Naga cuisine, and traditionally we prepare it with smoked pork or dried freshwater fish. However, with multiple requests coming from you guys, I'm going to prepare a chicken version of it, and if possible please try to procure smoked chicken. I mean, that's gonna enhance the flavor to next level. However, since we don't have one, let's proceed with this fresh chicken, and the ingredients that we will need are chicken, Akhuni, salt, dried chili flakes or dried chilies, ginger and garlic cloves. Now let's start cooking. Take your pan, add 3 cups of water, Akhuni and chili flakes. Stir and let it boil for 10 minutes. Now add your chicken pieces and salt as per taste. Stir. Cover and cook it for 20 minutes on a medium flame and occasionally stir in between. Add your roughly pounded ginger garlic paste, stir, cover and cook it for 15 more minutes. Now open cook it until the gravy achieves the consistency of your choice. And just like that, our dish is ready. And to go along with our meal, I have fried some pumpkin with salt. And boiled some French beans. Here is our chicken with Akhuni, and wasn't the recipe so simple? I hope you have enjoyed it, so don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And let me tell you guys, the aroma from the stew is really making me go slurp as always, and the flavor is really strong for sure, just like what Akhuni is. It's quite intense and has its own flavor. For first timers, lot of you might not find it tasty, as it's quite an acquired taste. And if you have tried other fermented dishes, they are quite similar. So now without further ado, I am going to pour the chicken stew on my plate of steamed rice, and also I have chopped some carrots so that my vegetable consumption just goes higher and make the dish and meal more scrumptious. So now let's go ahead. The dish is very simple, and it's oil free, which is quite good, and maybe these are some of the reasons how we tend to stay slimmer despite of eating so much. Wow, and look at the beautiful chili flakes. They're just floating. And if you don't have chili flakes, you can even use fresh chilies. Just boil them and then pound them. I have a video of smoked pork with Akhuni. Go ahead and check it out. The recipe is almost similar. So now, without any further delay, let me eat. The weather is really getting warmer and I might be sweating, but that's absolutely fine. I mean, when meals like this are prepared. Okay, so I'm going to mash my rice first. All of them today. It's smelling really incredible. And this is what I love about Northeast food. Each ingredient is so unique and has its own flavor and really, merges together into a wholesome meal. And definitely we do eat a lot of non-vegetarian dishes, but ours are almost with a vegetable or are just plain stews like these, but we bump up the nutrition that we take through salads and greens as well as other vegetables like roots and tubers, and even a lot of wild herbs which we don't get here in Bangalore. So if I go to Northeast and start my cooking vlogs, I'm sure going to take you around and how we go ahead and procure this. I would not say procure, I'll say pick these herbs from the wild. Mm. 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 This is divine, guys. For those of you who have never tried Akhuni, you don't know what you're missing. They are available online these days, so there are certain northeastern websites through which you can procure. So go ahead, try it out and let me know what you think. Boiled French beans are like so common. Just add a little salt and boil it like for 20 minutes on a medium flame. That's about it. The meat is really tender and the juices from all the condiments and Akhuni has got beautifully infused into the meat. The flavor is pretty intense, I must say, and the chilies have added an awesome heat which you will just love. It's not overpowering like ghost chilies. However, if you prefer one, please go ahead and add it to your chicken with Akhuni if you have them. These are pumpkin fries. Yeah. If you have any recipe which you like, I mean, as sides, do let me know. Also, what do you think about my today's side dishes? Tell me, come on, write it in the comments. Also, if you are enjoying watching my recipe videos and cooking them too, don't forget to hashtag me on Instagram as Snigdha's Bioscope, and I'll go ahead and share it in our community as well as my Instagram stories, which is also called Snigdha's Bioscope. So go ahead and follow me to check out what I do other than vlogging. Mm. Mm. Oh. Mm. As I have mentioned earlier, these dishes really addictive, and you can just go on eating heaps of rice. Mm. If you're preparing it with country chicken, ensure that you add more water, and also please add another 30 minutes of cooking time so that your meat really turns out tender. Mm. I'm loving this. Mm. This pumpkin is really sweet. Hmm. Mm. Mm. The meat is stuck in the cartilage. It's really delicious, and if you look at this, how many of you like cartilage? Hmm? Mm. For French beans boil, ensure that your beans are slightly tender. Otherwise it will get very chewy. And my carrot. Mm. What a lovely crunch and sweetness. Mm. Ha. Now the heat is taking on me. I know I'm sweating. But who cares? Mm. Do you think I should drink this too? Come on, hit the like button. Do you think so? Yes, I think so. So I'm gonna slurp on these juices. Wow. what flavors. Whosoever has fermented soya beans and have tried them first, I would like to thank you. Wow. Okay. Just one more spoon. Wow. This was one hell of a delicious lunch that I had, and I hope you guys enjoyed the mukbang portion as well. Also, do visit my channel and let me know what you think about the recipes, and if you wish to, if you want me to cover any of your recipes, do let me know. That will really be awesome and I look forward to it. I've got few more recipes, as sides, which I'm going to cover in the coming videos, so that you know what are the side dishes that we prepare to in Northeast India, and not that we only have meat with or without vegetables. I hope I am able to break some of the inhibitions that you have about Northeastern food, and a lot of you are trying them out, which is such a wonderful news to hear. I'm really glad, and I'll be back next Friday with new recipes, so keep tuning in to my channel. Until then, bye.